Yağmur Yüksel has shared a very beautiful picture on social media in which there were earrings in the box, and on the side there was a beautiful bracelet too. And necklace was also there. So fans have sent a very beautiful gift to Yağmur Yüksel, and Yağmur got this gift especially from her loved one fans who used to love and adore her very much and support her unconditionally in every situation. So fans sent gift to Yağmur Yüksel, and Baris Baktas was also very happy that Yağmur Yüksel had received gift, and he was so much delighted due to the happiness of her co-star. Baris was also very happy.